Welcome to an OrCAD X capture feature overview. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Find and Replace feature, which enables users to efficiently search, modify values, and display attributes across multiple objects using advanced filtering options. Let's begin by launching the Replace panel. Navigate to the Edit menu, then click Replace. Alternatively, press Ctrl+H to open the panel instantly. The Replace panel appears at the bottom of the Capture Schematic editor. To perform a basic search, keep the wildcard entry asterisk in the search field as is. Next, use the object selector to choose which elements to search, such as parts, off-page, and power ground symbols. Click Find, and the results will populate in the Find Results panel, showing all matching objects. Now, let's refine our search using advanced criteria. For example, to find all resistors with a tolerance of 10%, enter R in the search field and select only parts as the object selection. Then, add a property row for tolerance. Set its value to 10% and click Find. Matching components will then show up in the Find Results panel. Users can add multiple search criteria and search based on display properties. For instance, find capacitors with a specific footprint and room. Add value property role and click Display Properties to further quantify its display property like font, color, and rotation to narrow down your search. Once the user has found the components, it's time to replace their properties. Copy any property from the Find grid to the Replace grid using right-click, Copy to Replace. Update the value. For example, change Room from Power to Power Rail, and click Replace to update properties of all the searched capacitors. The Find Similar feature allows you to identify components that share matching properties and display attributes. To use it, select a component, right-click and choose Find Similar. The Replace panel will automatically populate with pre-seeded properties based on your chosen component. You can then modify the search criteria, copy the updated criteria to the Replace grid, and reset the property positions as needed. For example, we will search and identify all components whose visible properties, such as value and reference, have been manually moved onto the canvas by the user. And then, using the Replace action, we will then reset these properties to their default positions. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, or any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below.